In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet these fingerless gloves. You can adjust the size to make them smaller by deleting rows and making them larger by adding rows. To get started, let's make a loop as shown. Now, chain 5, now single crochet in the back loop only in the second chain from the hook. And then repeat this for the remaining 3 chains across. Chain 1 when you get to the end, and turn. And you will repeat this for a total of 30 rows. Okay, now we're going to join the ends by making a slip stitch through each stitch on both ends. You can purchase a pair of these gloves in any color you like, hand crocheted by me, in my Etsy shop for only $15 a pair. The link is below. Now chain 1, and for round 1 we are going to single crochet in the row closest to the hook. And now we're going to double crochet in the next row. Single crochet in the next row. And now double crochet. We're going to repeat this all the way around with a single crochet, then a double crochet until we get to the end. A written copy of this pattern is also available in my Etsy shop. Okay, now that we're at the end, we're going to join to the first single crochet with the slip stitch, chain 1 and turn, or chain 2 and turn, I'm sorry. And for round 2, we're going to double crochet in the single crochet closest to the hook, and then we're going to single crochet in the next double crochet. We're going to double crochet and then single crochet all the way around. Keep this going, joining with the slip stitch and chaining 2 at the end of each round until you get to the desired length. Now to make the thumb hole, we're going to start our next row as usual, but we're going to leave the last 3 stitches unworked. Now leaving these last 3 stitches unworked, we're going to do one more row like this. And when we get to the end, we're going to join the gap with a slip stitch and then chain 4. And turn. Now we're going to slip stitch in the back loop only of the second chain from the hook, and then in each of the next 2 chains. Now slip stitch in the next stitch closest to the hook of the previous row. Chain 1 and turn. Now slip stitch in the back loop only of the next 3 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Again, slip stitch in the back loop only of the next 3 stitches. And then slip stitch into the next stitch of the previous row. Chain 1 and turn. We're going to repeat this all the way around. We are down to the last 2 stitches, so we're just going to keep going until we complete those last 2 stitches. All right, this is the last row. Let's complete this row. Don't chain 1. Now we are going to join these ends by doing a slip stitch through both ends of each stitch on both ends. All right, we have just completed our first glove. Congratulations. Please be sure to like and subscribe at the end of this video. Now we are just going to complete this by tying off the end and getting rid of our loose threads. So let's just cut the yarn and tie off the end. Now I'm going to be using a yarn needle to hide these loose ends. So let's just go ahead and thread our needle, and then we're going to just stick this down through the stitches. And I like to put a curve in there so that it doesn't come out as easily, and be sure to put plenty in there so that it doesn't pull out so easily. Now we're just going to cut the end, and we are all finished with our first glove. Congratulations. Again, please be sure to like and subscribe at the end of this video to help my channel grow. Thank you. Have a great day.